Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna app and how does it work. Today we are diving into Klarna, the popular buy now and pay later app. If you have ever wanted to shop now and pay later without worrying about credit cards, Klarna might be for you. In this video, I will show you how Klarna works, how to use the app step by step, and some important things to keep in mind. So let's get started. What is Klarna? Klarna is a financial service that lets you split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments, pay in full later, or even get financing for bigger purchases. It works with thousands of online and in-store retailers, making shopping more flexible. And here is how Klarna offers payments. 1. Pay in 4. Split your total into 4 equal interest-free payments due every 2 weeks. Pay later. Buy now and pay in full within 30 days. Financing. Monthly installment plans for bigger purchases. Sounds good? Now let's see how to download and set up Klarna. Getting started is super easy. Here's what you need to do. Download the Klarna app from the App Store or Play Store. Sign up with your email and phone number to create an account. Verify your identity. Klarna may ask for a soft credit check. Add your payment method and you can use a debit card, bank account, or credit card. Once you are set up, you can start shopping immediately. How to use Klarna to shop. Now let's shop with Klarna. Option 1. Shopping through the Klarna app. Open the Klarna app and search for your favorite stores. Select a retailer and shop as you normally would. At checkout, Klarna gives you different payment options. Choose pay in 4 or pay later if eligible. Option 2. Using Klarna's virtual card. Go to the Klarna app and select create a one-time card. Enter the total amount of your purchase. Klarna will generate a virtual card which you use at checkout like a regular debit or credit card. It is that simple. How to use Klarna in stores. You can also use Klarna in physical stores. Open the Klarna app and tap on In Store. Generate a one-time card for your purchase. Add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Tap to pay at checkout. This lets you buy items in store and split payments just like online shopping. How to manage payments. Now let's talk about managing your Klarna payments. Check due dates. Go to the Klarna app under Payments to see upcoming bills. Enable auto pay. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Reschedule a payment. If needed, Klarna allows you to move your payment date once per order. Make sure you always have enough funds in your account to avoid any issues. Things to consider. Before you start using Klarna, here are a few important things to know. No interest on pay in 4 as long as you make payments on time. Soft credit check. Klarna does a light credit check, but it doesn't impact your score. Late fees. If you miss a payment, Klarna may charge a fee. Not all stores accept Klarna. Always check before shopping. Using Klarna too much can affect your credit. If you apply for financing, it may impact your score. And that is how Klarna works. It is a great tool for flexible payments, but be sure to use it responsibly. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more finance and shopping tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.